Whether you've broken down and need recovering, or you want your vehicle serviced or new tyres fitted, one call to Auto Tune Recovery and Repair does it all. Our experienced and qualified staff are always on hand to offer their expert and honest advice to help with any mechanical problem you might have, solving a wide range of mechanical problems for any make or model. We have all the latest diagnostic computers with replacement parts on site, ensuring there's no fault we can't diagnose and repair. We follow very detailed manufacturer's service checklists, ensuring your vehicle is fit for the road. We hold an extensive range of tyres, including high-performance, seasonal 4x4 and budget tyres in sizes 14 inches to 23 inches, fully fitted on site with amazing savings. We also have a wide range of alloy wheels from the world's leading manufacturers. We provide a friendly, reliable and efficient 24-hour breakdown recovery service to the local area of Newport and the surrounding boroughs. So if you're broken down, crashed or even unsecured, we're sure we can help. Of course, that's not all we do. You'll find full details on our website. Use your smartphone to link to us or call direct for advice from Auto Tune Recovery and Repair.